Happy Friday, everyone. Um, Today we need to take out our morning work folder and we're going to be working on literacy and math number 3. So make sure your literacy page has the penguin at the top with the number 3 on his tum-tum. Okay, same instructions as the last 2 days. I can write the beginning and ending sounds. So they give me 3 images and I have to figure out the beginning sound and the ending sound. So the first word could be a couple of different things. I'm going to go with cap. It could be hat, but let's just go with cap. So cap starts with the k sound, which is made with the C. And then we have the a and the p. The p, again, that bubble sits right on the line for a lowercase p and the tail hangs down. Now I have a hen, a hen. I know this is hen because I see that E in the middle, and I know it's just a CVC word, a consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, so it's the beginning sound. That's an H. There's my lowercase h. Hen. H-E-N. And now I have a bug. B, made with the B. Is here, U. And then the G. We've had a lot of G practice. They must really want us to get that G down correct. Correctly. All right. In the middle, it says I can color, trace, and write the words. So I color the first one, I trace the middle one, and then I write it. So our first memory word is can. C-A-N. Can. I'm going to trace it here. C-A-N. And then I'm going to write it. Okay? You need to make sure, C-A-N, that you're doing all 3, that you're coloring, tracing, and writing. In the middle, you'll do the same with this word, F-R-O-M, from. Now I'm going to trace it, F-R-O-M, and I'm going to write it on the third line, from, F-R-O-M. My letters are not the best. I need to practice writing with my computer mouse, don't I? Okay. On the bottom, it says, I can color the words in the AG family, or the AG family. You know I'm going to switch to that blue, because I like that, and I'm going to get a crayon. Okay, so I'm looking for AG words. AG. Here's an AG word. B-ag. Bag. This one is an A-N word. That doesn't work. Here's an A-G one. T-ag. Tag. This one, R-A-G. There's the A-G again. Need to color that. That's R-ag. And then this one's an A-N at the end. That doesn't work. So I need to color bag, tag, and rag. They all end in A-G, and they all rhyme because they have the same ending sound. Bag, tag, rag. Good work. All right. I'm going to go grab my pencil, and I'm going to stop until I get my pencil, and then we're going to do the math side. So flip your page over to the math side. Okay, I hope you all have your pencil. I've got mine. We are going to do the math side. So make sure at the top of your page it has the ornament with Math 3 in the corner. Okay? So at the top, it's the same instructions once again. It says, I can use a 10 frame to write an addition sentence. They give me the answer, and I need to break down the number, okay? The way I'm going to break down the number is easy because they've given me the breakdown with different images, okay? So if you look here, this first 10 frame has 4 items. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm going to break down 4. And the way I can break it down is I have 1, 2 sleighs, and I have 1, 2 light bulbs. So 2 and 2 make 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. For this one, I'm making 10. My whole 10 frame is full. But how am I making 10? Let's see. How many Christmas trees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 Christmas trees. And I have the same number of bags, so that's going to be 5 as well. I can easily look at the picture and see there's 5 here. I counted those, and 5 here. I also know that 10 is A 10 frame is made up of 5 on top and 5 on the bottom. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Coming to the middle, I need to count on. Remember, they give me the number in the engine, and I fill the cars with the numbers that come after. So the first number I have here is 6. After 6, I have 7. And I can keep counting. 8, 9, and 10. Remember 10, the 1 comes first, then the 0. We always write left to right, left to right. So you do your 1 first, then your 0. Okay, this one's easy. It starts with 1. The engine has 1, so then I put a 2, and then I need to do 3. What comes after that? 4. Ooh, my 4 got out of control. Bad 4. And a 5. Perfect. Okay. At the bottom, I am counting the snowballs and writing the number in the mittens. So remember, I like to mark the snowballs so I know which ones I've counted. Let's start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 snowballs in this pile. And how many does this person have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one has 9. Which one's more? 8 or 9? 9 is more. 9 is one more than 8. Good work, guys. You can put your morning work away and move on to your Bible work. Good job.